Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tiny Teaching Tube, where we make learning fun and easy. Today we're diving into a topic that might seem a bit dry, but it's actually super useful. Common abbreviations. Stick around till the end to take a short quiz. Whether you're texting, writing emails, or just trying to decode that mysterious note someone left you, knowing these abbreviations can save you time and make you sound like a pro. So let's get started. First up, we have some of the most common abbreviations you'll encounter in everyday life. Ready? Let's jump in. Number 1 is ASAP. It stands for as soon as possible. So when your friend says, "Can you reply ASAP?" they're just asking for a speedy response. Pretty simple, right? But here's a fun fact. ASAP was first used in the military during World War II. Now it's everywhere. Next up is DIY. Do it yourself. This one's favorite for all you crafty folks out there. If you're tackling a home project or making something cool on your own, you're doing it DIY style. DIY lets you put your personal touch on things, and it's a great way to get creative. Moving on, we have ETA, estimated time of arrival. When someone asks for your ETA, they want to know when you'll be getting there. So, if you're running late, give them your ETA so they know when to expect you. Now, let's talk about FYI, for your information. This one's handy when you want to pass along important details without making it sound like a big deal. It's a great way to keep people in the loop. And of course, we can't forget LOL, laugh out loud. Whether it's a funny meme or a joke, LOL shows that something made you laugh. It's a fun way to express your amusement online. Next up is TBA, to be announced. When details aren't finalized yet, you'll see TBA. It's kind of like a placeholder until the specifics are sorted out. Finally, let's wrap it up with BRB, be right back. Perfect for those moments when you need to step away but want to let people know you'll return shortly. And there you have it, the most common abbreviations that will make your communication a breeze. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tiny Teaching Tube for more awesome content. Got any abbreviations you want to know more about? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay awesome. Bye!